Alex Smith. I am now a teacher at West Green High School, but I'm speaking to you today because hopefully you're going to be learning some math, but more, I was involved in talent search when I was in high school. I went to West Green High School. I was in talent search and the TRIO programs involved in it. So I wanted to come back. They asked me to come and show you a little bit of math, and just to let you know that, you know, we talk about students going to college and whatnot. It happened. Okay, I'm back one more time. This time we are going to be looking at tips for multiplying large numbers. So, once again, new test, not being able to use the calculator. How are we going to do numbers like this? I could do it by hand, I could do it the old school way. That's totally fine. We can do that. But understand that multiplication is just repeated addition. In other words, I can break this thing apart into simpler pieces and then put it back together in the end. Okay? So if I'm thinking of this by hand, instead of doing 212 times 64, I'm thinking of an easier way to do this, lazy way to do it. Well, how about I do this? How about I say 64 times 200? Okay? Well, if you remember your rules from multiplication, then I can just drop those two zeros down. 64 times 2, that's 128. So I've got 12,800 right now. Well, I've still got 12 more I've got to deal with, but 64 times 12 is kind of ugly too. I don't know it off the top of my head. So instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 64 times 10. I drop that 0 down. 640, 1 times 4, 1 times 6. Okay, I'm at 210 now. Let's put those last two on there. 64 times 2 is 128. And then let's add all three of these things up together in the end. So I'm going to add 640 and 128 to my total. So I'm going to get 8, 6, 15. I'm going to add 1 here, 3, 1, 3, 5, 6, 8. Let's see if we get the same thing if we do it this way. So 8, 4, 8. I'm going to drop that 0 off. 2. I'm going to add 1, 7, 2, 1. Add these up. 8, 6, 5, 3, 1. We get the same thing. Maybe you think this is easier, maybe it's not. But it at least breaks things down in your head. You may not want to do numbers with numbers this big, but for instance, if you've got 58 times 61, all of a sudden, that might be easier to look at than stuff beforehand. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Take the quiz associated with this, check out some more videos, and we'll go from there. Thank you.